Alright, so now we're going to do weekly cleaning on the hot tub. So, once a week, Sunday, is usually the day that I do it. So, it really has 4 different steps. The first step is to take out the filter, which is at the base of the water intake on that side. So first you have to start by turning off the hot tub, and I'll turn on the lights in here so you can see where that is. So the fuse box has only 2 fuses. It's the one with the 2 bars on it up top. Shut that off and find the 5-gallon bucket, which is normally going to be in the shed but is out here today. So coming over here, and if you come right up here and see, the trick to getting this apparatus out is there's little grooves on the side. You line that up with the grooves on the outer ring, and because it's turned off, it will come out very clearly. So there's the grooves that I was referring to that line up with the 2 tabs. You can see them there. So you can reach down and just pull out the filter. We'll do in a separate video the cleaning of the filter, but we'll, for purposes of this demonstration, we'll say that we clean this filter. Usually I put it back in the opposite way to which it was the previous week. So on this one you see the name of the filter and the model number on top, so I would put that on bottom, put that back in, push it down. It has to go over a ring so you'll feel it pushed all the way down. Line up again your tabs to the tabs on the outer ring. Sometimes it has a little bit of resistance. You have to kind of push down with your palm, and then you spin it. The reason that you spin it is so that when you pull it back up, it doesn't come up. And that is the filter cleaning. So once that is done, you can stay here. I'll go and turn back on the hot tub by flicking on the breaker. Then there are 3 different steps. So the first one is stain control. You're going to put 2 capfuls. You push down, you put 2 capfuls of this in the hot tub and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to put a capful of polishing in. Same procedure, capful of polishing in for an hour. And then after that hour, if you feel that the hot tub's been used a lot, you're going to put 1/4 of a cup of bromine concentrate. Sometimes they call it bromine 100, but that's what it looks like. You're going to put that in. If it's not been heavily used, you can put half of that much in. And what you want is a little bit like right now, if you come over here, that the water's clean and clear. You see the orange what looks like foamy in the corner, that's to collect oils. I'll put a new one in there, but if it's fully submerged or just kind of barely floating on the top, you know that it's saturated, and you'll want to put another one in, and they're located in the shed. So that pretty much covers hot tub weekly maintenance.